Then I can't even that. If I call me, come believe. You can't believe you're the rich. I feel like getting bread. That's it. Hey, my long guy goes here and goes bado. What do you mean?
What happened now? Why you just push me like this in front of my small sister? Now you push me like this.
Afam, I'm ashamed of you.
Over what now?
How can a full-grown man like you be oozing and smelling of cigarettes? Are you a drunkard?
Oh, guy, leave me now. See, it's just a habit. Don't people smoke?
See, people do enjoy people in a responsible way, not like this.
Oh, guys, spare me this crap. Spare me this crap. It's my life. Allow me to enjoy it the way I want.
Oh, so you call this unorthodox lifestyle of yours a life, right? Look, go in there, freshen up and come out. I need to talk some sense to your head. In fact, we need to talk at length.
You be still my man. Oh, you bother me now. Why you do like this? You won't come out of it.
You know, I don't like you with the fuck up. I like you with the fuck up.
The matter be saying, where would they go now? See bottle.
Sorry, my girlfriend's elder brother. Can you just give me some minutes so I can see him, please?
Okay. But don't stay low.
Sure. Hi, sir.
Hi! OgonNA, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm very well. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Whoa, good to see you. I just came here to, chill alone. It's a cozy place, so once in a while I just come around.
Yeah, me too. So, how is Susan, your friends?
I can see you and Ola have been gossiping about me.
Apart from that, we are too matured. Just a normal talk.
I see. And I must say you're more beautiful now,
Thank you.
So why don't we just go...
Excuse me. I kept someone waiting. Yeah. See you some other time. Friends are the brother, like I told you.
Okay.
Hope you're...
It's okay. I'm cool.
Your Majesty. It's the original one from London.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
To what do we owe this wonderful hospitality you're giving to us, your subjects?
Your Majesty, without talking, I can perceive that your heart is full of joy.
There is this saying that until the dragon is unleashed, you cannot determine the fate of a man. Yes, Your Majesty, we are inquisitive. Talk to us. What is going on?
I know. Ndiche. When a mind is perturbed, it is restless.
Yes.
But when a house is at peace with itself, it is a house full of milk and honey. My son, Prince Uzochukwu, is now a full-blown graduate.
That's correct.
And by that reason, he takes over the management of all my business concerns.
Oh, yeah,
Why don't we go over to the royal courtyard so that we can have a more sumptuous entertainment?
I trust you. Are you saying? Those big chicken that we used to Afam, I brought you out here so we can discuss one-on-one. Before the barman comes, let's discuss like brother. Afam, I want you to take resolutions over your life. You are a full-grown man. Afam, by now you should be the one managing your father's business, making money and take care of the family. But why is it not so?
Dennis, have you forgotten I'm a school dropout?
Afam, does that matter? What does that have to do with you reviving your father's business again?
Dennis, I have a cause I'm fighting. And when I'm done, I'll see to that.
So that is your excuse. But remember, time not there again. You are no longer a kid. Make good use of your life. See, this thing, we get there, this one. Make up, now repair.
Well, I've heard you. See you. Way back, came to the house. Now you don't go make money, they drive different cars. Now you don't come when the thing don't ripe. You think so I don't know where you find come house.
Bad guy. Bad guy.
Seems your eye.
My major point is that our son has regained his senses and back on track.
Yeah, of course. And that gladdens my heart.
But I think this is the right time to find out from him what actually happened to him.
Oh, my love, please don't go there. Bikonu, let sleeping dogs lie. For me, whatever my son should ask of, that I will do.
Can say that again. Whatever you want to do for him, go ahead.
Okay.
Because I am solidly behind you.
I know.
Support.
I know. My love.
Yes, dear.
Stop! It's like I'm in the right frame of mind for...
For what? Please, I am feeling sleepy. Just leave me alone.
A little tickle.
Leave me alone. Stop! Just leave me. Let me sleep.
A little.
Leave me. Let me sleep. Old man that doesn't know his old.
Hello, Adonna. Good morning.
Hello, girlfriend. Good morning. And how is my princess doing?
I am fine. How are you too?
Splendid. I just got to know how you're doing.
Thank you, my dear. That's so thoughtful of you.
You're welcome.
Now you called. So gist me, how is your Chika?
He's fine. We actually went on our first date. And guess who interrupted?
You know I'm not good with that now. Just tell me already.
Okay. Prince Uzo, your brother.
But I hope that wasn't a problem to the guy you went out with.
That one. Not really. Just that I noticed something.
You noticed something? Tell me, what's that? What did you notice?
Your brother was admiring me.
Did you say my brother was admiring you? The brother that I know does not go back.
Okay. But I know what I saw.
Anyway, Adana, I was actually making up before you called me. I was dressing to go out. So when I'm back, I will call you. You come to the house. You need to finish this gist. You see this gist now? You must finish it for me.
All right, girlfriend. Take care.
Take care of yourself. I'll call you later.
Take care. Bye. Hola.
I told you. I warned you, my guy. You didn't feel so you had. You didn't show yourself. You pass my guy, you show yourself. Huh? I go tell you saying I may be ruggedity. Listen to me. If you cough again for this campus, even if you cough here, guy, I go run you. I go put you behind bars for the rest of your life. Try me.
So why are you crying?
No, Sorry, I just remembered something.
Is it about Susan?
No, it's personal.
Why is it that none of you wants to say anything? Neither you nor Susan.
Did you speak with Susan? Did you go to her place?
Yes, I did.
Did you see her elder brother?
No, but I learned he came in just before I left.
Don't go there again, please.
Why?
I hope that's not where you're dressed for.
No. Why all these questions?
I'm your elder brother, Ola. Just listen to me this once. Do not go there until I tell you it is safe to.
Uzo, you know if you don't tell me what's going on, I'll definitely find out, right? Anyway, that's not the reason I'm here. I'm here because of Adana.
Adana? Did you talk with her? Okay, you're going to her place. Fine. You can go to Adana's house. You can talk about me with her. You can, get along with her and...
Are you falling for her again? Uzo.
Ola.
Uzo.
Ola.
Interested.
What?
Interested.
You have to go to your room now, you know that.
From my uncles, I'm very happy that you were here to honor this invitation. Yes, I want you to come to the city, come to our house. I believe this will help remedy the situation that has been on the ground.
So,
this is 5,000. You can make use of it for the transport. This is for you.
Have you called your mother?
Yes, she's coming.
Hey, Nani, I greet you all. What a surprise.
No, I do not aware where where are they?
Oh, they are here now. They are here. Let me go and welcome them in. Mom, if you don't mind, join me.
Join what? Nani, what's going on?
But, well, just relax. Let's wait and see.
I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. Even every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Even every time that you want me, I'll be there. I will cry for love, I will fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I will fight for love, I will cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love.
Ndeba kwenu. Kwenu. Kwenu.
You are welcome. As my brothers sent me, so shall I do it. Our people say that you don't see a toad for nothing's sake in the daytime.
Oh, no.
It is either the toad is in pursuit of something or something is in pursuit of the toad. You are brought before us, placed on the table, drinks. And my brothers said I should ask from you, to what do we accept these drinks?
Oh, no.
Yeah. My people, I greet you.
Thank you, you're welcome.
You have spoken very well. As you can see, we didn't just come, we came prepared. Our son here told us he saw a treasure in your house. And that is why we're here. To seek your daughter's hand in marriage.
She'll be fine. I think she's not really prepared with her mind. Yes, she will get over it very soon. And my in-laws, please, everything will be fine. But in the meantime, we can actually take some drinks. Let me get glasses first. I'm coming. Hey, my in-laws.
Alika. What's on?
Mommy, what's the meaning of that? What was the meaning of that madness he put up there? Is something wrong with him?
This is wrong. Very wrong.
Has Dennis spoken about relationship to you before?
Not at all. Not even for once, mother. Not at all. I mean, what's the meaning of all this?
So what do we do now?
I mean, how can you be asking me that kind of question? Obviously, they were going back from wherever they came from. I'm not interested. What's all this? Mother, you know I'm in love with someone. The prince. I love him so much and my heart belongs to him. Please, I'm not interested. And I can never be. Never. You should let me be. Mommy, please, you have to go and warn your son. Let him stay away from me.
Calm down, oh? Calm down.
What is all this? What?
I can cry for love. I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love. I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. Every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Every time that you want me, I'll be there. I will cry for love. I will fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I will fight for love. I will cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. Every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Every time you will call, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there
Nan, please. I hope you are not angry with us for what happened last night.
No, ma. Your son came to us that he wants us on ground as their father during Susan's introduction. Even though he did not do well, my instinct tells me he meant well for the family. Nevertheless, things like this happen.
Nani, Dennis has been a very good person to us. But I wonder why he didn't tell me anything about it.
Norma, we are not angry with you. Besides, AFAM has taken care of our transportation, being our coming and we are going out.
It's okay then.
Open, the door is not locked.
So good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you too?
I'm very well.
Okay, Dad is calling you.
Okay, tell him I'm coming.
Alright.
Why is he calling me?
I don't have an idea. He just needs your presence.
Okay, tell him I'm coming. I'll join him soon.
Alright, see you.
Sent for me.
Uzochukwu.
Yes, Dad.
When I came now, waits for too long over a disturbing issue, it naturally becomes agitated.
True that.
Some time ago, you brought a lady to this palace. A girl whom you say pleases your heart. You engaged her. Uzochukwu, where is she?
She's in her father's house.
Recently, you started displaying certain behavior which I overlooked, thinking that you were preparing your mind towards becoming a man. When I raised concern, you said you needed a little more time.
Yes, Father.
Uzochukwu.
Dad.
Ogineneme. What is happening?
Nothing. I just think I still need a little more time.
Uzochukwu, you are my son. My only son. I am your father. You can talk to me. Uzochukwu, you can confide in me, whatever it is. I can help you to sort out anything. Do you understand?
Yes, Dad. If there be any need for me to talk to you.
You may leave.
All right, Dad. Thank you.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? How can you invite your uncles from the village to the city and make a fool of them? You did not even discuss it with us. If it were to be your father, he wouldn't do that without due process. What kind of a successor are you trying to become? Afam, how can you do things at the expense of people's feelings? At the detriment of others, Afam?
Mom, whatever I did is for our own good.
You are talking rubbish, nonsense, Afam. In as far as I'm concerned, you just ripped off yourself the respect you once had. Yes. Have you gone so agitated that you forgot the traditional rudiments of marriage? Afam, how can you plan marriage without your sister's consent? Tell me, how?
Mom, you should be able to know me more than this. There is more to it than you think.
Then talk to me. Talk to me, I am your mother. Afam, I know there is nothing you will not tell me, so talk to me now. Afam, what is happening to you, my son? Afam, talk to me.
Susan, do you really think I hate you? Not at all. I know you've got my back always. But I want you to know that I truly care about you. Believe me.
You care about me, yet you hurt me so much. You care about me, yet you chased away the only man that I've ever loved. What kind of care is that? I'm asking you!
I did chase him away. Uzo is not who you think he is. He is not a good person. He had to run away for his dear life. My dear sister, marry the man that has come to marry you. He is not the right man for you. Dennis is better than the prince, who is a wolf in sheep's clothing.
I'm begging you. Don't kill me, please. Forgive me, please. I'll give you fortunes. I beg you, please don't. Don't. I'm sorry, please. Please don't.
You made my life miserable. I can't count.
I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. Even every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Even
what were you doing in my room?
Where are you coming from this morning?
You have no right whatsoever to ask me that question. We are not in talking terms. Please, give me a space.
Hey, I only came to check on you. Just in case you're still seeing that boy. Now listen to me, Susan. The earlier you realize you're not going to marry Uzo, the better for you. That boy is a bufada, a concierge of death.
Excuse me.
I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. Even every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Even every time that you want me, I'll be there. I will cry for love, I will fight for love.
Hello. Well, where? Listen, you have to be very careful. My brother is around. Yes.
I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love.
I'm inside the car on your left.
Every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Every time that you want me, I'll be there. I will cry for love, I will fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I
Ima! Where is my sister?
Sister. Because she's not there inside.
I said, where is my sister?
Oh, man. She's there inside.
Are you stupid? You did Chris? Did the prince come here?
Prince.
What did I tell you about the prince? I said, what did I tell you about the prince? Are you stupid? Come here! Come here! Come here! Hey, come here! Yeah, now! You want me to kill you now? Eh?
Hey! Oga. Hey. I don't walk again. This month, going for this last one. I don't walk again. I'll give my salary, I don't walk again. Hey! Okay. Hi, you got bum dog. Book your bum. Hey! I don't know what I know. Hey!
with you, baby? I don't understand you these days. Why all this drama? First of all, you ran away from my brother. You stopped taking my calls. And now you're resisting me? What's going on?
I'm in a very dark place now. My past has come calling. A lot is going on with me now that I never thought would reappear. I'm sorry, but we can't continue with this relationship.
But what? Aren't we getting married anymore? What are you saying?
It's heavy for me to say, but as things stand now, we can't get married.
That is never possible. It will never ever be possible. Baby, I love you. You can't say that to me. I am pregnant for you. You can't do this to me.
You're what?
I'm pregnant.
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
Don't tell me that. I am pregnant for you and this is the proof. This is the test result.
What are you saying? Not at this time. No.
I'm pregnant. I love you, baby. You can't leave me. You can't. That's the proof. I am pregnant.
No.
Listen, my love, you can't do this to me.
No. This can't be. No.
But I am.
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
Oh my God. Hola.
Huh?
Hey. You mean you came to visit me without a car?
Yes.
You even drove yourself?
Yes, I did drive myself. Do I always have to move around with a guard? Please, I set out today to be a free day for myself. And I'm going to visit all my friends, both old and new ones. And you, Alana, you're my very special friend, so I came to visit you.
You teasing me?
No, I'm not teasing. Why did I tease you now?
I'm blushing.
Please.
No, let me get a seat.
Adana, I'm fine here. You just sit down.
My friend. You're looking good.
Oh, you too. Thank you.
So, tell me, who is the next person you're visiting? Because I want to accompany.
Adana, where I'm going to right now, you can't follow me.
Why?
I'm going to Uzo's fiance's house.
So? Hola. She doesn't know me. Besides, I have moved on.
You have moved on? Mm-hmm. I don't want a situation whereby you go there and then you start feeling all jealous.
That one is a forgotten issue.
Okay. Yeah. If you say so, you can go get dressed.
Okay. Just wait for me, let me get dressed.
Okay. Please get me water.
Alright.
My heart, my soul will never give up on love. Helele, mama.
Bro, what is eating you up?
A problem shared is a problem outside.
Talk to Ross.
I have a mission to execute and you know it. But how to go about it is my greatest challenge right now. Tracking down the guy that led to the death of my brother. But nobody would give me clues. Nobody. I bought a gun as regard that, and it's becoming useless in my hand.
What do you want us to do?
Give me clues! I need itineraries to work with. Give me that. Give me.
If I say make I call Morgan now. First man no call him. Think go use him mafia hand. Go knock me. And me go come tell do that in mafia work. If I call him now, he go promote me. For mafia now. Mafia now, man. You better make I call him. Make I call him. Hello, Oga.
Ima, what is it? Wait.
Oga, that prince, when they come house well, they come find our sister. Our sister dey inside with your ma. I say, I tell you.
Where my sister dey?
Sister not there. Oga, this is that time you see your sister come out. She never come back. Never come back. I never see him.
Ima, you know what you go do for me now? Hope nobody did there well as you they call me. Good. See ya.
Please, sir. Please. Please, I beg you, don't kill me. Please. Please.
I know you would want me to take off the gag so you can see me. But for now, you can't see me.
Who are you? Who are you? What have I done wrong? Why did you kidnap me?
The sins of the father come upon the children, and even the fourth generation.
Please. Please, I beg you. I beg you, please don't hurt me. Don't harm me, please.
I won't if your father complies. Your father is a strong king that cannot be summoned. He has a tight security around his palace. He even has secret policemen guiding the palace in disguise on Mufti. That I know. Your father is a strong man. But I will summon him. And if he fails to come, then I will think of what to do with you.
No, please. Please, I beg you in the name of God, please. Please.
Sit down!
Honestly, I don't know what it is that is making me behave like this. Oh baby, I want you to know that I love you. I love you so much, so deeply. All I want you to do for me now is to be with me. Hold me, touch me. I want to feel you. From now till tomorrow morning, I will be fine. Please. That is all I want from you.
No. I can't. I must go home. You know my position now in the palace.
How would I know? Will you have kept a distance from me? How would I know? Baby, please don't do this to me. I need you around me. I do not want to go home now. Afam is my worst nightmare in that house. Please. Be with me, please.
Don't you have respect for tradition? Why are you hitting at the palace gate?
I'm so sorry, but I have to see the king at once, please.
You can never enter this palace except the king says so.
I know, it's very urgent. It's a matter of life and death. I have to see the king at once, please.
Excuse me.
What is it?
Princess Ola's friend Adana, she's at the gate.
What does she want? She says she wants to see the king, and it is a matter of life and death.
You know the king doesn't go back to his vomit. But since it's a matter of life and death, you just wait here.
Long live your highness, King of Umuago Kingdom.
Rise.
Your highness, the lady you sent out of the palace, who was barking like a dog, is at the gates demanding to see you.
No one summons the king of Umuago. What does she want?
I do not know, my queen, but she said it's a matter of life and death.
I still insist. Nobody summons the king of Umuago.
Ugom, it's okay. It's not a summoning. It's still within the palace walls. Okay? Let her in.
Yes, Your Highness.
My heart, my soul will never give up on love. Helele, helele, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Yeah. Helele, helele, mama. My heart,